Number 6 is telling us the figure is formed by 5 rectangles, and our job is to find the area of the unshaded rectangular region. So we can either find the area of the whole thing and then remove each rectangle, or we can try and fill in some information about the side lengths of that piece that is unshaded. So what I would like to do is kind of take the faster route here. It's not necessarily better, it's just a little quicker than some other methods. All right, so I have this side length here is 9, which means this side length here is 9. But up at the top, this one is 3, so this piece also has to be 3. If the whole chunk here is 9 and this piece is 3, the remaining part has to be 6. Okay, so now we're going to use that information later, but now we're going to look at the other side length of that rectangle. This side length here, from here to here, is 11, but from here to here is 5. It's the same as this one because it's a rectangle. So 5 and 11 means the remaining piece from here to here has to be whatever's left over. So 5 minus 11, and that is 6. So that unshaded part is a 6 by 6 square. And squares, or any rectangle, uses length times width. I use that cursive looking L just so that we know it's an L and not a 1. Here, since it's a square, a special kind of rectangle, the length and the width are both the same. And 6 times 6 is 36. Again, I'm not looking for whether you know your multiplication facts right now. I just want to know if you're able to problem solve and find the area of different shapes. So if you need the calculator for that step, it's totally fine. We're focusing on remembering those formulas to find area. So that's the piece that's important right now. Remember, we also need to name our units. Area has 2 dimensions, so our units have to be squared, and we were measuring in centimeters. If you did it a different method, that is okay. Just check in and make sure you got 36 centimeters squared for that unshaded region. Another common mistake that I see on this problem is that people find the area of the shaded region. And actually, I made that mistake today too. So just make sure you're reading carefully.